Yes, your people, it's your boy Dre, Wave TV here. I'm a special guest featuring on Trainer Heads. Yeah, today I'll be reviewing the Nike SB passports. Yeah, let's get it.
I have a cleaning kit that repels dirt, oil and stains. It's CFC free and eco-friendly. This will protect your footwear for 6 months. Visit their website allthews.repeller.co.uk and use our promo code TH30 for 30% off your order. What are you waiting for, man? Go visit the website.
These SB passports, they are originally developed in Australia, skateboard company, if you lot didn't actually know. And the release date was actually the 5th of March. So yeah, but really and truly, like, these dunks are actually like, they're unique. That's what I can say. And it's really like outside the box because I've never seen this colorway or this type of collab before with Nike. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, this actually wowed me today. Just to let you lot know as well, this is the actual passport logo, yeah, of the actual shoe. And what they done a collab and it's holding up the swoosh, which is very, very intelligent. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, this is the first time I've ever seen this before. Like, props to them, I'm not gonna lie. He's entitled to their own opinion. So the design, I wouldn't really rock this colorway. If it was like black and white, then I would, but not really. It's giving me that lumberjack vibes with the laces, like, but that's the whole theme of it, like work vibes.
Working man boots.
Yeah, working man boots, you get what I'm saying? Like, but like, I'm not gonna lie, it's army vibes, isn't it? Army vibes, I like this a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, you got the SB there, original. You got the swoosh. You know what? The swoosh, yeah, with this leather material, is actually nice. I'm not gonna lie. Like, when you run your finger through there, like, nah, it feels nice. So, I'm not gonna lie. Comfortability. What can I say? Obviously, I've run through a lot of SBs, and I'm not gonna lie. SBs do not feel on comfort. I'm not gonna lie. They do not feel at all. Like, you know when you get them new trainers and it hurts your toes? Nah. It would not hurt your toes at all. And even on the sides as well, like the sides here as well, it's very padded. And on the heel, very, very padded. Like, when you're walking, it just feels nice, isn't it? Do you get what I'm saying? And yeah, like, these shoes will run, I'm not gonna lie. These shoes are warm to my heart. The price, retail is $120, and then the resale is about $140. Like, around that budget, do you get what I'm saying? Me personally, that's a bit, it's going downhill, but what can you do? You can't really change the prices, do you get what I'm saying? Like, I was talking to my bedroom and he was saying, like, what if Travis Scott wore these? The prices will be sky high. Are you crazy? It'll be sky high. Everybody will be running to it. And do you get what I'm saying? Like, you know how the world will be, innit? Do you get what I'm saying? If popular superstar actually wears these shoes, but nah, me personally, the prices are a bit off key, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah. Overall, out of 5 being the highest, my ranking for this particular trainer will be about 3. I'm being fair, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm half and half of it. Sometimes I think, yeah, I'll rock them. Sometimes I think, nah, it's not the time. Is
it growing on you?
It is, in a way, innit? It is, in a way. It's just the color. Do you get what I'm saying? But, like I said, if they change the color, if they got better colorways, then I think it'll blow. Do you get what I'm saying? But, me personally, again, yeah, I'll stick it out as a 3 star. Yes, your people. Thank you for Trainer Heads for doing this massive collaboration. Yeah. My name is Dre, aka Wave TV. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, my socials will be in the description. I've got Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, it's all Wave TV. Do you get what I'm saying? Simple, innit? It's simple. Follow up your boy, like, comment, and subscribe to all our social medias. Yeah, we just want to grow as a big unit. Do you get me? Yeah, we out. Peace.